From the Cruise Radio studio in Jacksonville, Florida, this is Cruise Radio News with Doug Parker.
Here's your cruise news briefs for Sunday, May 23rd, 2021. A little windy here on the St. Johns River, just outside the studio. On the heels of the Alaska Tourism Restoration Act being passed on Thursday, Royal Caribbean Group said they plan to sail Alaska this summer as well. At the time of broadcast, Royal Caribbean says Serenade of the Seas and Ovation will be sailing from Seattle to Southeast Alaska this summer. Celebrity Cruises also announced on Friday that Celebrity Summit will sail 9 sailings to Alaska. That's going to happen July 23rd through mid-September. Like Carnival Corporation and Norwegian Cruise Line brands, all guests must be vaccinated. Those under the age will have to be tested prior to sailing. And 221 crew members from Majestic Princess received their COVID vaccinations at the Port of Los Angeles on Friday. The vaccination effort was a collaboration between Princess Cruises, the Los Angeles County Department of Health, Ports America, and Metro Cruise Services. Princess, like other cruise lines, have been working closely with the CDC in anticipation for a return to cruise this summer. And Carnival Cruise Line's flagship Mardi Gras left Barcelona on Friday with a destination of Central Florida programmed into its GPS. The ship, which originally was supposed to debut last August, was delayed because of the pandemic. The vessel is now planning for a 2021 restart from Central Florida's Port Canaveral. The actual date is still unknown, waiting on clearance from the CDC. Once cleared to sail from the U.S., Carnival Mardi Gras will sail Eastern and Western Caribbean voyages from Port Canaveral. And cruise line stocks were down slightly on Friday. Carnival Corporation down 1.3% to 27.17, Royal down 2%, 82.82, and Norwegian down 1.2%, 28.70. Breaking news and up-to-the-minute industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise Radio News.
The proceeding was a production of Cruise Radio. For more accurate and dependable updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.